when we were discussing the differences between central bank and commercial bank, at that time we came to know that central bank is a sole authority of note issuing, while the commercial bank is a financial institution which is only helping in the flow of money by creating credit. Okay, so this video is about the credit creation by commercial bank. So first of all, I would like to tell you that the credit which is created by commercial bank depends upon cash reserves or a cash reserve ratio. Total credit which is created by commercial bank depends upon cash reserve ratio, that is also known as CRR. First of all, we will discuss the term CRR or cash reserve ratio. So let me tell you that CRR refers to legal reserve ratio. It is also known as legal reserve ratio, as it is fixed by RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, and it indicates or it is equals to some percentage. This percentage is always fixed by RBI. Some percentage of demand deposits of commercial banks which is to be kept with RBI in terms of cash reserves. Okay, assume that a commercial bank is having total cash, it is having 100. Okay, 100 rupees is as the demand deposits which a commercial bank is having. And if the CRR which is decided by RBI is 5%, if the CRR is 5%, in that case commercial bank has to keep 5% of total primary deposits with RBI. It means 100's 5%, that is rupees 5, and remaining 95. This 5 rupees will be kept with Reserve Bank of India, and other than the remaining money, it will be circulate in the market for advancing loans or granting borrowings or loans. Okay, so what is CRR? CRR is also known as legal reserve ratio fixed by Reserve Bank of India, and it indicates a fixed percentage of demand deposits of commercial bank which commercial bank has to keep it with RBI in terms of cash reserves. And like that example, if commercial banks are having 100 rupees in terms of total deposits, then CRR which is fixed by RBI, assume that it is 5%, and after keeping 5% of total deposits with RBI, remaining money will be circulated in the economy. This is the concept of CRR.